What do you think it's gonna weigh?
That's pretty good. It's pretty good. Lighter than I thought it was gonna be. Fire and all, Krusty.
All right, guys, before we get into the action, from today, May 22nd to May 27th, we are doing a 10% off site-wide sale. That's not just on TSR parts, that's on anything that's listed on the site, and then 5% off rear end housings. We could call this a Memorial Day weekend sale, or it's because we own a nitrous car sale. Either way you want to look at it, you're going to save on the website. We are planning on going to Shady Side this weekend, so we hope to see you there and enjoy this update video.
Take a little sneak peek.
Yeah, dude, Jake, open the box.
Gotta check the pack.
We're trying to do this together with you guys. This guy, Amish guy, shorted all of us. So these are, I should talk about these. Local kid, Gage, he's got a polishing business. These were actually our black powder coated wheels.
Yeah.
And he took the powder coat off for us, took the anodizing off the bead locks, and polished them. So they look really, really good. These are I had already ordered new centers for them, the V-Series centers. So we got to bolt all this together.
Nice.
But if you slick tire race, you'll understand why I'm saying this. You absolutely need 2 sets of wheels if you slick tire race. And you saw that in one of our videos where the tires were jacked up, we swapped them real quick, and it worked out awesome. So we try to keep 2 sets of wheels. So that's 1 set. Man, this is exciting. This is a big day. I might quit work today and just go put these together. Woo! Look at him, boys. Dang, those are sick. Oh yeah, dude, that's gonna look sick. Jake was trying to ruin the surprise. Paramount Polishing.
Paramount Polishing, and that's in Northern Kentucky?
Yeah, Paramount Polishing is who polished those wheels for us. So if you're local and you need your stuff polished, there's not really many people that polish stuff anymore. So, man, he did a great job. And he said,
he's gonna keep these ones fresh for us?
yeah, probably once a year, like we'll have them repolished, you know, that way they're looking fresh. But yeah, they look really good right now.
They do. They look sick.
Weld betas. Weld betas. That's the rear wheels for Charlie.
15 watts.
Dalton, you gotta come look at the wheels.
Oh, yeah.
I just got his earbuds in. Dalton's over there just with his headphones in.
His own world.
We can't bother Brad right now to
He's
show
in
him.
his zone.
He's trying to get the Mitsubishi up. We got
More important things.
well, when you're paying a Mitsubishi tech to be here,
Oh yeah, there's that part.
their hourly rate. We got the wrong business, boys. These almost look shinier.
Yeah.
Does it look like that way on camera?
Nah, there's a big difference on camera. But I mean, these look proper. These look good.
Yeah,
It's like a different type of shine.
yeah.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
It's old house activity.
That's the appropriate tool for working on electrical.
Like so, I'll mark that.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
So we're gonna use to bond it together?
Yeah.
It's like liquid weld? Smells like
Man, I like opened it and was moving it, and I was like, what is that? It's the bag.
just the bag?
Yeah.
Was it?
Stinky bag?
Yo, man.
Oh, see if you smell it.
I can't smell
Oh,
nothing.
see if you smell that.
I can't. That smells like nothing.
All that surgery for that. Still not be able to smell it.
Brad said I need a refund.
Yeah.
I will check it and making sure I welded everything before we put the roof back on.
Make it before it's hard to get to all this.
Yeah.
Butter weld.
So this is cool too. We always do this. You never really notice it, but see these like little tubes that are welded here?
Yeah. Just for the lines to pass through?
Yeah, it's for the lines to pass through.
Is that just a way to avoid like zip ties and stuff?
Yeah.
Just to clean.
Yeah. You could get nuts and do that everywhere, but it's, you know, how much time do you want to spend?
Yeah.
This is cool too. I wanted to highlight this. Jay made this little tube again for the
transmission.
For the shifter cable to come through. And then these we got after this another thing on kind of to do with today. We need to we got most of the helmet bars in. These last two bars we're gonna get in. But you can see how these are offset notch to the inside of the funny car hoop.
Yeah.
It's because I got these are the helmet, these are the tabs. So basically this would go in there kind of, you know, like that.
Yeah.
With 4 tabs. And then I got one for the back too. So they need to be, these tubes need to be flush with these tubes so that these will mount.
Nice. You gonna get a donut?
No. Where's Stevie? I thought he was here.
Saw him creep over here.
That's kind of smart, you know? Never forget it.
Bucky, you wanna have a donut?
I'm gonna have a donut for sure.
Donut for
Happy birthday, Bubba!
Thank you, brother.
You wanna have a donut?
I'll pass for right now. Happy birthday!
Birthday and anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
Happy
You can have.
We know what you're doing tonight.
Drinks?
Not much. Taking a nap.
Birthday cake and a nap.
Yeah, you go
Birthday
and have
cake and a nap.
I'm about to go in Stevie's office and get him a birthday gift out of his own tools.
What would we give him?
Something you wouldn't recognize.
Oh, I can give him my shower sandals.
There we go.
I give him my shower sandals. Oh, new smoke detector. It's still in the package. Let's get a box. Nah, can't use that one.
You gonna cut those up too?
Yeah.
So thoughtful.
Oh, it ripped. Typically, I wouldn't use this much of the company's blue tape, but I did pay for this tape myself. That looks good.
Yeah, it's proper.
I think he's standing right over there. He's got some nuts in here. Steven! Happy birthday, buddy.
You get some flip flops.
How are you? 64 this year? 55. Happy birthday, buddy.
Your flip-flops from out of my office. And a smoke detector out of my...
Brand new.
It's brand new. It's still in the package. I hope you weren't planning on returning that because I had. Oh, that is a V-band O-ring.
Why didn't I feel it was something else?
No, yeah. Somebody's probably looking for that.
I'm not going there. Well, thank you, Todd.
You're
Very,
welcome.
Very thoughtful.
Very,
of you.
very thoughtful.
Steven. Hopefully you weren't planning on returning that smoke detector because I cut the top of it off so it fit in the box.
No, but I am going to order flip-flops at lunch.
You are?
Yeah.
Let me buy them. I'll get you some Cobians.
I thought those were mine.
Well, I do need. I'm going to Florida soon, so. Oh, happy birthday, Steven.
Take backs. Oh. I missed it. The roof is on. You didn't put this.
It's got to come back off.
Oh, okay.
I'm just...
Just making sure it still fits the way.
Well, so the sides have to like... Hear it pop down in there.
Yeah.
And I gotta figure out how to hold that in there while the glue sets up overnight.
Yeah.
I never done this before, so don't come for me in the comments. Okay, son. Get your fingers in it. We're gonna go front end first.
fits so good. Jay does so.
Nailed the fit. Singing at the talent show. What's she gonna sing, you know?
Look at that. Sweet Home Alabama.
Nice.
No, I'm just kidding. That's money, dude.
That lead in there is too heavy.
The lead?
It's too heavy.
Oh, that's, yeah, it was all part of the weight reduction.
Yeah, it's
Just to
part
get
of the weight
lead out.
reduction right here, dude.
This metal, we call it spam.
Spam?
Some
Just to
parts,
throw it all together?
yeah, some parts are metal.
Oh.
Gosh, man.
You always squeeze my neck so hard. I'm like, Jaybird come up and dicked with me earlier today, and I jumped because he poked me in the butthole, and I smacked my head off the A-pillar bar.
Don't be so jumpy. Just let it happen.
Oh, and you're really focusing, and then all of a sudden there's a finger in your butt.
It wasn't a finger. It was something, not a finger. Hey, we screwed up.
What?
This is wrong.
It'll have to be right now.
Face did it right.
I was like, oh no.
Oh, this is about to be good. Is this 200-mile-an-hour rated?
We'll find out.
Let them know our results.
If it flies off, it'll make a great video. We got the roof back on today. Jaybird's working on doing the head surrounds. I promise that you're gonna get to hear the car run.
Fire no, Krusty.
Oh yeah, yours has series on it.
Headers are probably so much farther forward. Right.
All right, guys, this is the deck lid that we're gonna use on Charlie. Our other one has some holes in it. This deck lid's stock. We kind of looked around for a fiberglass one, but really nobody makes one for a 4-door. So if you're watching this, you know where one is. Let me know. So this thing, Jake, you're gonna have some rust to clean up.
Yeah, I know.
So this thing weighs almost, basically 37 pounds. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut as much of this out as I can. We actually still want to use this lap, so it'll kind of be this number. But I'm gonna, and then we want it to still hinge. So I'm gonna keep some of this stuff. But I'm gonna see how light that we can get it. All right, we're looking a lot more flimsy. Cut all that webbing out. Then we're gonna panel bond this latch back there. Then hopefully it all still works. It's honestly still up. Doesn't feel that light. Oh. 27 pounds. What was it before?
37.
So we lost 10 pounds.
Yeah.
It's a big piece of metal.
Yeah.
All right, 10 pounds. Better than nothing. All right, KR, we're going on the scales. What do you think it's gonna weigh?
Is there going to be any money in it?
Huh?
Is there going to be any money in it?
Well, right now it's no jockey. All right, well, man, you can. Well, hang on.
Brad already knows. Come over here, you film it. That's pretty good. It's pretty good.
2586.
Wider than I thought it was going to be.
And right now,
Look at the back numbers.
Yeah.
30 pounds apart. Front numbers are 40 pounds apart.
so and right now we're still missing back doors.
Well, currently we're just missing a driver. Get your butt in there.
It was last year we raced it at 3050. It is currently in no prep trim, so it still has 2 batteries in the back, heavy back bumper.
$27.60, and it's 50-50 on the money.
It's like somebody knew what they were doing.
It's actually 50.2 on the rear.
Got 300 pounds on it.
We're still missing back.
40 pounds.
27.65-ish. Yeah.
It stays in
So
a
lost
party.
290 pounds.
Yeah, by cutting.
Yeah.
Like not, I mean, well, we cut all. That's probably like the understatement of the century.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, 390 pounds.
290.
Or 290 pounds.
Math is not Jason's
Yeah,
strong
I'm not
suit.
good at math. So why can't we just do it? It's basically 300 pounds.
Yeah. What's the peanut gallery have to say?
Chuck's coming out swinging.
And the cool thing is, when we decide to put it on a radial, it'll be even lighter.
Yeah.
We got-
We can take that big old heavy steel bumper and steel deck lid off, take them big heavy batteries out of there.
Yeah, there's 100 pound of battery in the back of this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, even in no prep trim, really, if we wanted to run it 49, it'd probably be 48.
What, front to rear
If you
percentage?
took the 100 pounds of battery.
Yeah, it'd probably be 48-ish on the rear, yeah.
You move that to
No, I'm happy.
You can
That's
get out.
Sweet. Car turned out great. All right, so tomorrow there is a race, which we probably won't race.
We're not prepared for.
Heath does real bad when we don't race though, but we'll probably, it's a Friday, Saturday race, so we'll probably test tomorrow and then rate. If that goes really good, then we'll race on Sunday. And then if we have time before King of the South, I'd love to get them doors painted, but
Awful.
we tried to have somebody come and wrap them, and there is nothing.
There isn't a brown vinyl that
There's
exists that
nothing
matches.
that's anywhere close to that. So yeah, so Brad's gonna set it up tomorrow. We'll film some of that. We cut the whole car apart, so even though we jig stuff, things like that, he still needs to go everything. The Racecars that we're in, those drop cylinders are a little bit more dropped. I mean, the front end was completely off the car. He has to go over everything. We probably have, Jay needs to trim the hood because there's no window in it before, so we probably got 8-9 hours of work left.
Yeah.
It looks like a done race car, but there's.
And it runs.
It does run. So.
And the back tires move.
Yeah. So, we gotta show you off the trunk lid. That's the sweetest part.
Well, you can't see it from back here that well, but this is our different shades of brown we got going on here that don't match. Jason's really happy about
The Craftsman screwdriver.
our trunk key here.
This is the trunk key.
It does fit perfect.
Yep, it's in there with a cotter pin. That does not come out.